how to use your Android phone as a remote control. Did you know your Android phone can double as a remote control? Let's set it up. So first, check if your phone has an IR blaster. If it does, you can control TVs and appliances directly. Now, if not, use apps like Google TV, Mi Remote, or Samsung Smart Things to connect via Wi-Fi. So go ahead and open the App Store or your Google Play Store and then head over into the search tab and look for Google TV or Mi TV or Samsung Smart Things. Now make sure your phone and device are on the same Wi-Fi network and then pair them inside the application. So most app lets you customize buttons or even use voice commands for playback and volume. For PCs, try unified remote to control keyboard, mouse, and media playback. And that is how you can easily turn your Android phone into a remote control. Simple, powerful, and always in your pocket.